Here's your lesson for page 46 in your Handwriting Without Tears book. Today we're focusing on lowercase l. You're going to come right down and bump. Start at the top, come right down, bump. Now the key is to come straight down. So find the top. Here we go. Come right down, bump, and stop at the line. Come right down, bump, stop at the line. We'll do one more. Come right down, bump, stop at the line. This one's pretty easy peasy. It's like writing the number 1. Here is our uppercase L for reference. Please notice that this goes all the way to the top line. Do you see that? It goes right up into the sky. And we just come right down. Bump. Start of the dot. Down, bump. Down, bump. Down, bump, down, bump, down, bump, down, bump, down, bump, down, bump. Check it out. You may color your Lizzie lizard any color you want. This will be the end of our lesson for lowercase l for page 46 in your Handwriting Without Tears book.